that is one of the square. एक स्क्वायर है, यहाँ पर इसके कॉर्नर्स है ए बी सी डी, ये ए, ये वाला कॉर्नर बी, सी और डी। इसका साइड है 0.05 मीटर, इट इज इक्वल टू 5 सेंटीमीटर, 5 सेंटीमीटर। ओके, 5 सेंटीमीटर इसका साइड है। ठीक है, यहाँ पर 10 नैनो कूलम चार्ज रखा गया है, यहाँ पर बी कॉर्नर के पर -20 नैनो कूलम चार्ज है, और यहाँ पर -10 नैनो कूलम चार्ज और ये +20 नैनो कूलम चार्ज। कॉर्नर्स, रेस्पेक्टिव कॉर्नर्स के ऊपर चार्जेस रखे गए हैं। और पूछा है कॉर्नर डी के ऊपर यहाँ पर कितना रिजल्टेंट फोर्स कितना होगा कॉर्नर डी के ऊपर। ठीक है, लेट्स सॉल्व दिस। ठीक है, तो यहाँ पर इस चार्ज की वजह से इस साइड में फोर्स होगा, इस चार्ज के ऊपर इस साइड में फोर्स होगा, इसको हम एस ए बोलेंगे, और इस चार्ज की वजह से इस साइड में फोर्स होगा, इस साइड में, जिसको हम बोलेंगे एफ सी, और इस चार्ज की वजह से इस साइड में फोर्स होगा, इस साइड में फोर्स होगा, क्योंकि नेगेटिव चार्ज है तो फोर्स का डायरेक्शन इस साइड में, एस बी, इस तरह से बनेगा। नाउ हम इन दोनों फोर्स का वेक्टर सम करेंगे। पहले इस फोर्स को दोनों को हम ऐड करेंगे और वेक्टर सम करेंगे। पहले फोर्सेस मालूम करता हूं, एफ ए इट इज इक्वल टू के Q1 Q2 डिवाइडेड बाई आर स्क्वायर। फॉर्मूला आपको लिखना है, you must write the formula. Without writing the formula you cannot get the marks. Okay, k value of the k 9 into 10 to the power 9. What is the Q1 for the SA? Q1 is 10 nanocoulomb and Q2 is 20 nanocoulomb. 10 into 10 to the power minus 9 into 20 into 10 to the power minus 9 whole divided by, that is the 5 centimeter, 5 into 10 power minus 2 whole square. Okay, let's calculate. +9 minus 9 would cancel. Now 9 into 10 into 20 into 10 to the power minus 9 whole divided by 25 into 10 to the power minus 4. Okay, now 9 into 200 into 10 to the power, this minus 9 plus 9 minus 4, 9 minus 4 is minus 5. Okay, divided by 25. 25 8s are 200, 8 9s are 72 into 10 to the power minus 5 Newton. This is FA, isn't it? Now next FB. FB it is equal to K Q1 Q2 divided by R square. What is the value of K? K value is 9 into 10 to the power 9. Q1 20 into 10 to the power minus 9 into 20 into 10 to the power minus 9 whole divided by, is the diagonal distance. We have to take this. How much it is diagonal is? A diagonal, you know that It is the 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter. Now the diagonal can calculate, and here I am calculating the diagonal. Becomes it is equal to under root of x. It is equal to under root of 5 into 10 power minus 2 this square plus 5 into 10 power minus 2 whole square. Okay, this matrix is 2 into 5 into 10 power minus 2 whole square. Okay, 5 into 10 power minus 2 comes outside, square and it get cancelled, and the root 2 will be there, x. Okay, now x will be mismatch. Okay, now here take that 5 into 10 power minus 2 into root 2 whole square. Okay, now FB it is equal to FB it is equal to plus 9 minus 9 get cancelled. Now 9 into 400 2 to the 4, 400 into 10 to the power minus 9 all divided by 25 into 10 power 25 into 2. 25 into 2 how much? 25 into 2 50. Simple. 25 into 2 into 10 to the power minus 4. 9 into 4 into 100. We are splitting something. Okay, it is 50. Or you can write 25 into 2 also for calculation easy. For doing the easy calculation. Okay, 25 into 2 into 10 to the power minus 9 divided by 10 to the power minus 4. Okay, 2 ones are 2 twos are 25 fours are. Okay, now how much it will be? Here 9 into 2 into 4 72 into 10 to the power minus 5 Newton. That's all. Now FC we have to calculate. What is the FC? FC is the force between this charge 10 nanocoulomb, 10 nanocoulomb. Because charges are same for the FA and FC, so that FA equal to FC, it is equal to 72 into 10 to the power minus 5 Newton. Okay, that's much. Now we have to find, we have found these, all of these. Okay, resolve these both forces, resolve FC and FC and FA. Okay, we are resolving FC equal to FA, so that F square plus S square. Okay, 2S square under root. Now F comes out root 2. What is the S? Because FA equal to FC, therefore 72 into 10 to the power minus 5 under root 2 Newton. Okay, now how much it will be? F root 2 Newton, or it will be how much it will be? The value of root 2 is 1.41, 72 into 1.41. 72 into 1.41. Okay, it will be 101.52 Newton. Now, it is the F dash Newton. Now, figure becomes like this. The force is acting this FD. Now we have find this F dash. Like, okay, now the resultant F net will be in this direction only. Okay, now we have to resolve F dash and FB. Therefore, x it is equal to under root of FB square plus F dash square. FB square plus F dash square. Okay, F dash square. FB square, F dash square. Okay. Now, x it is equal to under root of what is FB? FB is 72 or FB is 72 Newton of F. Consider it is F. F and F dash. F dash is root 2F. Isn't it? Here that is, here it is F root 2 whole square. This also the square. It will become x it is equal to under root of F square plus 2 into F square. 3 into F square and F comes out under root 3. Under root 3. Okay, this is the resultant force of this. Okay, now the F total it is equal to what is F? F is 72 Newton. 72 into 10 to the power minus 5 Newton. Into 10 to the power minus 5 Newton. Okay. Into root 3. This much only. Root 3 value. Value of root 3 1.7 root 3. Let's see. Now, it2 into 1.73, 124, 124.56 F total. So that you understand this question. Okay, 124.56 is 10 power minus 5 also there. Numerical into 10 power minus 5 root 3, so multiply 3. Or you can shift the decimal point 1, 2, then subtract in minus 5 2. Okay, F total it is equal to 1.2456 into 10 power minus 5 or simply 1.25 approximately into 10 power not minus 5 10 power minus 10 power minus 3. Okay, 10 power minus 3. F total this much only. Okay, hope that you understand. Hello. In this question, it is asked 4 charges plus Q, plus 2Q, plus 3Q, and plus 4Q are placed at the corners of a square ABCD of side 0.1 meter respectively. The electric field at the center of the square is 5.1 into 10 to the power 3 न्यूटन पर कूलम. फाइंड Q. चार्ज को फाइंड करने के लिए पूछा गया है. ठीक है, तो ये सारे चीजें वेक्टर में आ रही हैं, तो आप प्लीज वेक्टर को सीखिए. मेरे चैनल के ऊपर फर्स्ट PUC के प्लेलिस्ट को ढूंढें, उसको उसके अंदर जाकर वेक्टर चैप्टर को अच्छी तरह से देख लें. ठीक है, बेसिक चीजें तो कम से कम आपको देखनी चाहिए, तभी आपको वेक्टर की चीजें समझ में आएंगे. ठीक है, यू मस्ट सी द वेक्टर. Without the seeing vector or vector rules or vector addition rules, you cannot understand properly these problems. Okay, thank you. I will provide the link in the description as well as, okay, as soon as I will provide. Okay, now let's solve the question. He said that one of the square is there. Okay, now draw the one square. One of the square is there. Okay, here is the one of the square ABCD. At the corners of the square, it is the 10 centimeter or 0.1 meter side it is. Okay, and charges of Q, 2Q, 3Q and 4Q are the charges. Okay, now side is 10 centimeter, so that the diagonal will be diagonal. This is the diagonal. Diagonal will be x. It is equal to diagonal will be x. It is equal to under root of 10 centimeter, 10 centimeter, 10 centimeter square. Okay, how much will it will be? It will be 10 into 10 to the power minus 2 whole square, 10 into 10 to the power minus 2 whole square, isn't it? Okay, now it will be 2 into 10 to the power 10 into 10 to the power minus 2 the square under root. This square and root get cancelled. It becomes 10 into 10 to the power minus 2 root 2. Okay, root 2. Now it is the diagonal. Okay, he said that we have to find the electric field at the center of the square. Now the half of the diagonal is the distance r. Now r, it is equal to x by 2. Therefore 10 into 10 to the power minus 2 divided into root 2 divided by 2. It becomes 10 into 10 to the power minus 2 divided by root 2. Okay, this is the distance r for the r calculation. Okay, now next further, at this point, due to these charges, there will be electric field. It has it is asked the electric field, not electric source. Okay, electric field it is asked here. Okay, now we have to find all the electric fields and which are the opposite direction that we have to subtract. Okay, now we will find electric field EA. It is equal to EA. Okay, this one KQ divided by R square. Electric field EB, it is equal to EB. This is K2Q divided by R square. Electric field EC, it is equal to K3 3q divided by r square. Electric field ED, it is equal to how much? K 4q divided by r square. Okay, draw here. Due to this charge, electric field will be this side EA, and due to this charge, this will be this side EB. Due to this charge, electric field will be on this side EC, and this side ED. Okay, now these are the electric field which are opposite to each other, so that we have to subtract these. Okay, EC is opposite to EA because this is the bigger charge, so that resultant electric field will be towards A. Okay, corner A, so that you have to subtract and write even resultant electric field towards A. Okay, even it is equal to EC minus EA. Okay, EC minus EA, it becomes sorry, EC K3q divided by r square minus K q divided by r square. Okay, how much it will be? K 2q divided by r square. Okay, now E2, similarly we have to calculate E2. E2, it is equal to, here the ED is opposite to the EB. Okay, ED is opposite to EB, it is EB. Okay, now the bigger charge is on the D corner, so that electric field will be towards 2q charge, or towards the B corner. Okay, now ED minus EB. Okay, now K4q ED is here, K4q divided by r square minus K2q divided by r square. It will be equal to K2q divided by r square. Okay, both electric fields are same. Okay, no problem. Therefore, the total electric field E total, it is equal to because they will come such like on this direction. Okay, they will become here in this direction. They will come in this direction. It is E1, it is E2, and both have the 90-degree difference. Now you have to put the E total formula. E total is equal to under root of E1 square plus E2 square. Okay, E2 square, because both are. Now further formula comes E1 E2 2 E1 E2 cos theta, cos 90 will be 0, so that we are further part we are not taking. Okay, now because E1 is equal to E2, here we have find that E1 is equal to E2. Therefore, because E1 is equal to E2, here I will write E1, which is equal to E2. Therefore, E square, E total, which is equal to E square plus E square 2E square under root and E root 2. It will be this much. Okay, now what he have asked, electric field is given this much and charges are this much and distance is this much. We have to find the Q. Okay, E total is this much. Okay, now Now you have to find now what is that q, and you have to find the q. Okay, we know that E it is equal to KQ, K capital Q, we are using capital Q, KQ divided by R square. Okay, KQ divided by R square. Okay, so that you have to find the E is equal to KQ divided by R square. Therefore, Q it is equal to no, we have to put the E here only. Okay, K2KQ. Once again we will write, sorry. E it is equal to KQ divided by R square. This E, we have seen that. Okay, put this in the above formula. E total it is equal to K2Q, K2Q K2Q divided by R square. Okay, K2Q divided by R square. Now put or rearrange the formula. Q it is equal to E total into R square divided by R square divided by here one of the root 2 is there because E into root 2. Okay, now E total into R square, if we are rearranging this, okay, E total into R square divided by K2 into root 2, K2 into root 2, and this. Okay, this will be good. Now put the values for the respective terms. Okay, put the values for the respective terms. Q it is equal to, what is the E total? E total here is, has given that 1.5 into 10 to the power 3 Newton per Coulomb. Okay, 1.5 into 10 to the power 3 plus 3 is there. Okay, you can see this in the question also. 5.1 into 10 to the power 3, 5.1 into, sorry, 5.1 into 10 to the power 3 into, what is that, R square. R, how much it is? Here we have taken the R, how much it will be, we have calculated that. Okay, now into 10 into 10 to the power minus 2, 10 into 10 to the power minus 2 divided by root 2 whole square. Okay, R square this much. Okay, now K value of the K is 9 into 10 to the power 9 into 2 into root 2. Okay, calculate this. 5.1 into 10 to the power 3, 10 square becomes 100 into 10 to the power minus 4, it becomes 10 to the power minus 4, will divide it by 9 into 10 to the power 9 into 2 into root 2 into 2, because square of the root 2 becomes 2. Okay, calculate this. Calculate this. After the calculation, you will get it as 5.1 it is. Okay, 5.1 into 10 to the power, because this much will be cancelled as 2 and 2, it will become -2. -2 and this will become 10 power plus 1. And it will become 51. And how much it will become? 9 into 2 into 2 into the 4. 4 into root 2. Okay. 4 into root 2 into 10 to the power 9 it is. Okay. How much it will become? It will become 50.76. Okay, you have to use the calculate sometimes. Okay, no problem. Okay, 76. 50.76 into 10 to the power 9. Okay, now shift the decimal point 5.1. It is approximately, it is also 5.1 become. Okay, 76 if you approximate it. Okay, now cancel this and it will become 1 into 10 to the power 1 into 10 to the power 1 into 10 to the power minus 9 or 1 nano coulomb. Okay, this much will be charge. Hope that you understood. Okay, if you are finding any difficulty, please comment on the comment box. Okay, and if you are not understanding the vector, I'm telling again, you have to learn about the vector rules. For the learning the vector rules, I have mentioned one of the link, video link, that is I will provide in the playlist of first PUC channel. Okay, first PUC playlist. Okay, sorry. Hello. In this question, it is asked, two oppositely charged metallic spheres of 0.5 meter apart attract each other with a force of 0.108 Newton. They are connected to each other by a copper wire of short wire. They beam to repel with a force of 0.036 Newton. Calculate the initial charges. Here it is given. First, they are separated by distance and they attract each other. Obviously, they are opposite charges. Okay, distance it is 0.5 meter. And that force it is 108 Newton. And after that, they have connected with the copper wire for the short interval of time. Okay, for the short interval of time. Yes, mentioned for the short. While they being repelled, after that he has put these both charges at the same distance and they repel each other. Obviously, they become positive charge. Plus. Okay, and they repel each other. Okay, repel each other with a force F. It is equal to 0.036 Newton. 0.036 Newton. Okay, they are at the same distance, 0.5 meter. That's all. Now, when they are separated by distance of this much, we have to find the charge, because both charges are the opposite, so that we are taking F it is equal to KQ1 Q2, sorry, KQ1 Q2 divided by R square. We have to mention the formula compulsory. Okay, it is F1. Now, you have to find the Q1 Q2 it is equal to F1 into R square divided by K. Put the values of these things. Okay, Q1 into Q2 it is equal to F, it is 0.108 into R, how much it is? 0.5 whole square divided by 9 into 10 to the power 9. Okay, now how much it will be? 0. Shift the decimal point, 108 into 10 to the power. We have decimal point shifted with 3, so that 10 power minus 3. into 0.25 because 5 square is 25, 0.25. Okay, 0.5 square is 0.25. Okay, 9 into 10 to the power 9. Okay, 9 ones are 9 12s are. Okay, 9 12s are. Okay, it will become 12. 0.25 means 1 divided by 4. Okay, and this 9 power 10 power 9 goes upper side, becomes 10 power this minus 3 and 10 power minus 9. Both of these are 4 ones are 4 threes are. Okay, therefore 3 into 10 to the power minus 12, Q1 and Q2. Because he has mentioned that both charges are opposite. Charges are opposite. Thus, therefore, Q1 into Q2, it is equal to minus 3 because one of the charge of minus sign, so that we are taking minus 3 into 10 to the power minus 12. This is the equation 1. Now, solve for the second case. Both charges are connected for the short interval. They become positive charge plus Q charge and they repel each other with the force of F is equal to 0.036 Newton. Okay. Now, put the formula F2, it is equal to KQ square. Okay, KQ square divided by KQ square divided by. First, you understand this. Okay, because that both of the charge, how the charge he has taken, Q dash, it is equal to Q1 plus Q2 divided by 2. Okay, now the Q1 plus Q2 becomes Q1 plus Q2, it is equal to 2 into Q dash. Okay, this will become in this situation. Okay, now we are solving for the next. Now in second situation, force F2, it is equal to K Q dash square divided by R square. Now Q dash square into Q dash square, it is Q dash square, it is equal to F2 into R square divided by K. Now it will become F2, how much it is? 0.036 into distance 0.05 meter whole square divided by 9 into 10 to the power 9. It becomes how much? See, it becomes shift the decimal point by 3. 36 into 10 to the power minus 3 into 0.25 divided by 9. Okay, into 10 to the power minus 9. 9 ones are 9 fours are, and 4, this 0.25 means 1 divided by 4 into 10 to the power 9, 10, 11, 12 minus 12. It is plus 9. Okay, minus 12. Okay, how much it will become? 4 1 1 into 10 to the power minus 12. Okay, it is the Q dash square, and Q dash becomes 1 into 10 to the power minus 6, because it will become this much on the Q dash, it is equal to under root of 1 into 10 to the power minus 12, and it will become this much. Okay, it is the Q dash. Now coming to the previous situation, Q1 plus Q2, it is equal to 2Q dash, it is equal to 2, okay, because it was the root, so that it will become plus or minus, it becomes plus or minus, how much it will become? Plus or minus 1 into 10 to the power minus 6 coulomb. Okay, so that here also we have to take plus or minus 2 into 10 to the power minus 6 coulomb. This is the equation 2. Now solving for equation 1 and 2, you can use this identity. If you use the other formula, you will get very difficult. Okay, you will get the very difficulties in that, so that we are taking only this formula. Now see here, we have to take this one identity, q1 minus q2 whole square, which is equal to q1 plus q2 whole square minus 4 q1 q2. Okay, you can check this identity also, that is correct. Okay, because a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab, and a minus b whole square formula is a square plus b square minus 2ab, and it will become this much only. Okay, this is the true identity. Okay, q1 minus q2 whole square, it is equal to q1 plus q2, you have found this. Okay, plus or minus 2 into 10 to the power minus 6 whole square minus 4 into q1 minus q1 into q2 is this much only, minus 3 into 10 to the power minus 12 bracket. Okay, now 2 to the 4, because the square is there, 4 into 10 to the power minus 12 minus plus, okay, 12 into 10 to the power minus 12. It will become 12 plus 4, 16, 16 into 10 to the power minus 12. Okay, q1 minus q2 whole square it is. If you do not the square and solve, it will become, therefore, it will become how much? q1 minus q2, it is equal to, how much it will be? Under root of 16 into 10 to the power minus 12. Root 16 is 4 into 10 to the power minus 12 become minus 6. It is the q1 minus q2. q1 minus q2. Equation 3. Okay. Now solving for the equation equation 2 and 3. Okay. Equation 2 and 3 we have to solve. Okay. What is the q1 plus q2? This much only. And equation 3, it is q1 minus q2, this much only. Okay. Now solving equation 2 and 3. q1 minus q2, it is equal to 4 into 10 to the power minus 6. 4 into 10 to the power minus 6. And q1 plus q2, it is equal to q1 plus q2, how much it is? q1 plus q2, 2 into 10 to the power minus 6. 2 into 10 to the power minus 6. q1 plus q2 it is. Okay, now solve this. 2 to q2 get cancelled. 2 q1 we are adding only. Okay, 4 and 2 becomes 6 into 10 to the power minus 6, and q1 become 3 into 10 to the power minus 6 coulomb, or 3 micro coulomb q1. Okay, now solving for Q2, for Q2 or put the Q1 in the any one of the equation, put in equation 3. Okay, Q1 or equation 2, you have to put the equation 2. Here is the equation 2. Q1, how much it is? Q2, it is equal to Q2, it is equal to 2 into 10 to the power minus 6, 2 into 10 to the power minus 6, and minus 3 into 10 to the power minus 6, because Q2 is equal to 2 into 10 to the power minus 6 minus Q1. Okay, now Q2 it is equal to minus 1 into 10 to the power minus 6, and Q2 it is equal to minus 1 microcoulomb. Okay, this much it will be. Okay, now Q1 this much, Q2 it is this much. Now both we have solved this. Okay, in this way you have to solve these problems. Okay, hope that you have understood this question. Or this charge sign may change. How we have taken that Q1 Q dash it is equal to plus or minus 1 into 10 power minus 6. Okay, or vice versa. We have to see that. Okay, or Q1 become minus 3 microcoulomb charge, or Q2 become plus 1 microcoulomb charge. Hope that you understand. Okay, welcome back. Next question. What is asked? Two charged particles are separated by a distance of 0.2 meter in air. The charge on one particle is twice of the charge on other. If the electrostatic force between the two charges is 8 into 10 to the power minus 3 Newton, then find the magnitude of the individual charge. Also find new separation required between the two charges if the electrostatic force is this much, 2 into 10 to the power minus 3 Newton. Okay, now in case 1 it is asked, what is asked? What is asked, it is charge on the particle is twice of the charge, the electrostatic force is this much. Two charged particles separated by distance. Okay, Q1, Q2 are separated. Q1 and Q2. And Q2 is 2 into Q1, separated by this much distance. Then find the magnitude of the individual charge. Q1, Q2 we have time to ask that. Find, okay, he has asked Q1, Q2, you have to find. Okay, first how much it is? Yes, it is equal to 8 into 10 to the power minus 3 Newton. Okay, and R it is equal to 0.2 meter, and it is the air medium only. Okay, obviously fine. Using the Coulomb's law, F it is equal to K Q1 Q2 divided by R square. Okay, now as he has mentioned, the Q1 Q2 is equal to 2Q1 K into 2 Q1 square. Okay, because Q2 is equal to 2Q1, mention this, and you will get K into 2Q1 square divided by R square is equal to F1. Okay, F1. We are saying that the force between the two charges in air is F1. Okay, now rearrange the formula. R square, no, Q1 Q square, sorry, Q1 square, it is equal to F1 into R square divided by 2K. Okay, 2K. Put the values. Q1 square, it is equal to how much force? 8 into 10 to the power minus 3 into r square. R how much it is? 0.2 meter. 0.2 whole square divided by 2 into 10 to the power 2 into 10 to the power 2 into 9 into 10 to the power 9. Okay, it will become how much? 2 ones are 2 4s are 8. Okay, 4 into 10 to the power minus 3 into what is that? 0.04 0.04. Okay, or total of 4, and it will become this much. And here the 9 into 10 to the power 9. Okay, now shift the decimal point 1 and 2. 4 4s are 16. 16 into 10 to the power. Okay, 16 into 10 to the power. This minus 2. If you shift the decimal point, it becomes 10 power minus 2. 10 power minus 2, 10 power minus 3, 10 power minus 5 divided by 9 into 10 to the power 9. 16 divided by 9. How much it will become? 16 divided by 9. 16 divided by 9. How much it will become? You can use the calculator in the board exam. Okay, board of PUC Karnataka, CBSE, you cannot use, I think. Okay, 16 divided by 9. 16 by 9, 144. 16 divided by 9, 1.77. Okay, it will become 1.77 into 10 to the power 9. It will go upper side and becomes 9 and 5 minus 14. Okay, it will become minus 14, and it is the Q1 square. Take the square that side and it will become under root 1.77 into 10 to the power minus 14, and it will become 1.77 becomes 1.33 into 10 to the power minus 7, or 0.133 into 10 to the power minus 6, and it will become how much? Q1, it is equal to 0.133 microcoulomb. Okay, now Q2, it is equal to 2 into Q1. So therefore, it will become how much? Multiply by 2, and it will become 0.267. 0.266 microcoulomb. Multiply by 2 only. 2 3s are 6 microcoulomb. This much only. Okay. Now we have found the Q1 and Q2. Coming to the next part of the question. Okay. If the force between this, what should be the separation? Okay, F2, it is equal to K Q1 Q2 divided by R square. Okay, R2 square it is equal to R2 square, it is equal to K Q1 Q2 divided by F2. Okay, F2. Now put the values. R2 square, it is equal to 9 into 10 to the power 9 into Q1. How much it is? Q1 is nothing but 2Q2 is nothing but 2Q1, so that we are putting the values, or direct you can put the value 0.133 into 10 to the power minus 6 and 0.266 into 10 to the power minus 6 whole divided by 2 into 10 to the power minus 3. Okay. Now solve this. 10 power 9, 6, 6, and this 10 power minus 3 goes upper side. All of these get cancelled, and it will become, how much it will become? It will become 9 into 0.133 into 0.266. Okay. It will become 0.318 divided by 2. 0.318 divided by 2, 0.1597. Okay. It is R2 square. If you put under root this, under root 0.159 under root 0.159, it will become 0.39. R2, it is equal to 0.39398, and approximately it is R2, it is equal to 0.4 meter. Okay, we'll find this. Okay, now see that whole solution, or take the screenshot for your further solution. Hope that you understand. Okay, let's start in this question. This is the pendulum of PUC 80 milligram carrying charge of 2 into 10 to the power minus 8 coulomb is at rest at a certain angle from the vertical in a horizontal uniform electric field with 20,000 volt per meter. Find the tension in the thread of the pendulum and the angle it makes with the vertical. Okay, here is the given things I have converted. Okay, electric field and the mass of this. Okay, also charge is also given. Now see here, this is the diagram for that situation. This making some angle theta from the vertical, this much. Okay, it is the theta angle which is making from the vertical. Okay, now here in this, one of the force is acting downward, mg, m is the mass, okay, and g is the acceleration due to gravity. And in this side, consider the electrostatic force is acting on the charge, so that it is making angle and it is in the equilibrium. Okay, you have to consider this. Okay, and the tension in this thread is some like this, and it is the Fg force which is acting downward, and the bob is in the equilibrium, and it is at rest only when it is in the equilibrium. Okay, now due to this we can find using this. Okay, resolve this tension into two components. In this side it will become, and opposite angles are same, theta and theta, it becomes T cos theta this side, and this side it will become T sin theta. Okay, now taking the angle from this. Okay, now we are finding from this triangle we are taking, it is the theta, and this side is opposite side, opposite, and this is the base, and it is the hypotenuse. So that tan theta becomes, okay, tan theta, it is equal to FE opposite base by hypotenuse, opposite by hypotenuse. No, opposite by base. Okay, opposite. What is the opposite? FE divided by FG. This side, it is the FE and it is the FG. Okay, we are finding it's the FG. Or it is equal to T sin theta divided by T cos theta. Okay, now F it is Q into E divided by M into G. M is the mass. Okay, Q how much it is? Charge how much it is? 2 into 10 to the power minus 8. 2 into 10 to the power minus 8 coulomb into electric field. 2 into 10 to the power 4 Newton per coulomb. How much Fg is? Fg M into G. Mass is 18 into 10 to the power minus 6 and G is 10. For calculation easy, we are taking exertion due to gravity as 10. Okay. Now 10 80 into 10 power minus 6. Okay, this get cancelled and this get cancelled, and how much would remain? It 6 7 8. Okay, 6 7 8 2 plus 2 minus 2, it will remain minus 2 and this will get cancelled, it will 2 and 2. Okay, 2 2s are 4. 4 into 10 to the power 2. Here 80 into 10 it is 800. 80 into 10 to the power 2, it will get cancelled and it will become 1 by 2. Okay, using the log table you have to find the tan theta value. Tan theta 1 divided by 2, it is equal to 0.5. Tan theta value using the log table you have to find. If you want to learn about how to find the tan theta values and sin theta values, sin inverse sin theta values using the log table, please comment in the comment box. Okay, I will put that video in the video log, or I will mention the link in the description. Okay, if you comment, then only I will provide this video. Okay, 0.5 and then theta it is equal to tan inverse of 0.5, and this value using the log table you can find theta is equal to 27 degree approximately. Okay, 27 degree. Okay, now we have to find the tension in this thread. Okay, tension in this thread will be, how much it will be? It is it will be some like this tension on this side and this side. Okay, tension these forces we have to vector sum, do the vector sum, then only we will find the resultant force in this side, and this force F net will be equal to the tension, Okay, now we are finding, we have found that here Fe and T Fe. Okay, we have to find the Fe. Fe it is equal to Q into E. It is equal to charge how much? Just now we have calculated 2 into 10 to the power minus 8 into 2 into 10 to the power 4 divided by 80 into 10 to the power minus 6 into into E is only 2 into 10 to the power 8 minus 8 minus 4 minus 8, it is a 4 into 10 to the power minus 4. It is the F this much Newton. F G we have to calculate m into g. M it is 80 milligram, 80 convert into the kg, 80 into 10 power minus 6, 80 mg. It is not mg, okay? Like the mass of the m and g. This is the acceleration due to gravity, and it is the mass. Mass we have calculated here 80 into 10 to the power minus 6. So that we are taking 80 into 10 to the power minus 6 into acceleration due to gravity 10. Okay. Now this one get cancelled, this one get cancelled, and this minus 488 into 10 to the power minus 4. It will become Fg. Okay. Clearly Fg it is equal to 2 into Fe. Okay. Now vector sum these forces, because this is in this direction Fe and Fg is in this direction. Do the vector sum. Therefore, the F net it is equal to under root of Fe square plus Fg square. Okay. Now the angle is 45-degree in this. Okay, so that now 90-degree it is, so that we are not taking the further part. Okay. Under root Fg is equal to 2 Fe, so that Fe plus 2 into Fe. Fe square plus 2 into Fe whole square. Okay. Under root Fe square plus 4 into Fe square. Okay. Under root Fe square into 5. Okay. 4 plus 1 is 5 only. Now Fe square it is equal to under it is multiplied by not equal to Fe into root 5. What is the Fe? Fe it is equal to, we have just find that Fe it is equal to 4 into 10 power minus 4. Okay. 4 into 10 to the power minus 4 into root 5. Okay. Now 4 into 10 to the power minus 4. Root 5 value is 2.23. Okay. 4 into 10 to the power minus 4. Okay. Root 5 value. How much root 5 value is? Root 5. Under root 5, 2.236, okay, into 2.2360, okay, 2.2360 into 4, okay, 2.23 into 4, okay, it will become 8.92 into 10 to the power minus 4. Okay. Therefore, the net force become lesser than, because it is not exactly in the opposite of the tension. It will become 8.889 into 10 to the power minus 4. Okay, this much only. Okay, it is approximately the tension, because it is in the opposite direction. The tension is approximately this much only. If it is 9.2, we also take the 9.2 only. Equivalent to 8.92 into 10 to the power minus 4 Newton. Okay. This much only will be the tension. Okay. This much only will be the tension, because here the angle is different. But also we can take this, because there is no other things. Okay, tension is also this much only. Hope that you have understood. Okay. Take the screenshot of this. Thank you. Next question. In this question, it is asked 2 point charges of 3 microcoulomb are placed at the two corners of A and B of an equilateral triangle ABC. of side 0.1 meter. Find the magnitude and direction of the resultant electric field at C. Okay, let's see here. One of the triangle is there. Of the triangle, and it is the equilateral triangle, and all sides are same. Okay, equilateral triangle means all sides are same. Okay, and the charges are kept on the corners. Okay, it is the A, it is the B side, and it is the C side. Okay, on the A and B, it is said that a 3 microcoulomb charge and 3 microcoulomb charge has kept on these two corners, and 0.1 meter it is the side. And you know that the angle of the all sides is 60 degree for the equilateral triangle. Okay. Now at C we have to find the electric field. Now that due to this charge, the electric field will be in this side. Electric field due to this charge will be in this side. Okay. Okay. Now we will say this. It is the EA and it is the EB. And net electric field will be the from between of these two. And this whole angle will be the 60 degree between these two, and it will be at 30 degree the resultant electric field E net. Okay, we have to find the resultant electric field. This will be the direction of the electric field as said in the question. Okay, now we have to find net electric field. Now we will first find the electric field EA. Electric field equation is KQ divided by R square. K value 9 into 10 to the power 9 into Q 3 into 10 to the power minus 6 divided by distance 0.1 meter it is, or 10 centimeter it is. 10 into 10 to the power minus 2 whole square. Okay, 0.1 meter becomes 10 centimeter. Okay, 10 centimeter. Now 9 3s are 27 into 10 power minus 6, 10 power minus 9 will cancel, and it will become 10 to the power plus 3 divided by 100 into 10 to the power minus 4. These two goes, these two zeros, and power will 2 reduce, and this will become how much? 10 power minus 2. Okay, 10 power minus 2, and it goes upper side, and it will become 3 and 2, 5, 27 into 10 to the power plus 5. Okay, plus 5. It is EA. Because charge is same, so that electric field is also same. PB, it is also same, so that we do not need to find. Okay, EA it is equal to EB. This much Newton per coulomb. Okay, now it will become this much. How much it will become? Now the electric field, net electric field equation we have to put. E net, it is equal to under root of EA square plus EB square plus 2 EA EB 2 EA EB or EAEB cos theta. Theta is the 60 degree, and EA is equal to EB. Then you can write EA square plus EA square plus 2 EA square cos 60 degree. Cos 60 degree is 1 by 2. Okay, under root EA square 2 EA square plus 2 EA square cos 60 is 1 by 2. 1 by 2, 1 2 to get cancelled, under root, and it will become 3 EA square, because EA 2 get cancelled, 1 EA it is 2 EA plus 1 EA 3 EA square. Okay, square and root get cancelled, and it will become E net, it is equal to EA under root 3. Okay, EA, how much it is? We have found this. How much it is? EA, here it is. Okay, E net it is equal to EA is 27 into 10 to the power 5, 27 into 10 to the power 5 plus 5 into root 3. Root 3 value, how much it is? Root 3 value, using the calculator, you can easily find. Okay, root 3 value. Otherwise, remember the root values from 1 to 10. Okay, root 3 value is 1.73. Okay, 1.732. 27 into 1.732 into 10 to the power 5. Okay, multiply this. 27 into 1.732. Okay, it will become 46.7, 46.76 or 47.6, 46.7 into 10 to the power 5. It is the net electric field at point C, Newton per coulomb. Okay, on the point C only. Okay, hope that you understand. Okay, take the screenshot if you want. Solve. Hello. In this question, next question we are solving. In this question, it is asked 2 point charges of 10 microcoulomb and minus 5 microcoulomb are separated by a distance of 0.2 meter in air. Calculate the electric field at the midpoint of the line joining the two charges. If a point charge of 2 nanocoulomb is placed at that midpoint, find the magnitude of electric force experienced by it. Let's consider the 2 point charges. 2 point charges of 10 microcoulomb and minus 5 microcoulomb. And at midpoint it is, we have to find the electric field, and all the distance is from here to here, 0.2 meter, 0.2 meter, and this is the 0.1 meter, 0.1 meter. Okay, no, 0.1 meter is there. Okay, electric field at this point, due to this charge on this side, electric field E1, and due to this charge, electric field also in this side E2. Okay, now both fields are the same on the same direction, so that we have to add this both electric field. Let's find the electric field at that point E1. E1, it is equal to KQ divided by R square. K value 9 into 10 to the power 9 into Q value 10 microcoulomb, 10 into 10 to the power minus 6, well, divided by 0.1 whole square. 0.1 is nothing but 10 centimeter. 10 into 10 to the power minus 2 whole square. Otherwise, you can keep that 0.1, that will become 0.01 square. After squaring, that will become. Okay, 9 into 10 to the power 9, this plus 9 from 9 minus 6. 9 into 10 into 10 to the power 10 to the power, how much it is? It will remain 6, 7, 8, 9, 3. Okay, it will become 100 into 10 to the power minus 4. This 2 will become minus 2, and it goes upper side. 9 into 10 to the power, how much it will be? 90. This will become add, and it will become 4, 5, 6. 9 into 10 to the power 6. Okay, how? The minus 2 goes upper side, plus 2, 3 to 4, and this 10 power 1 is 5. 3 plus 2 5, and this will become 6. Okay, Newton per coulomb. This will become E1. Okay, now find the E2. For E2, E2 it is equal to K Q1 divided by R square. 9 into 10 to the power 9 into charge, how much it is? Minus 5 microcoulomb. Take 5 only, don't take the minus, because this minus sign, due to this minus sign we have taken the direction of the electric field. 5 into 10 to the power minus 6 divided by 100 into 10 to the power minus 4. Direct we have squared that and taken that, because in the above question we have solved. Okay, 10 power minus 4, 10 power minus 6, 10 power minus 4, 10 power minus 6, and 10 power 2, 10 power 2, and 10 power 9. Okay, or that this 6 minus 9 minus 6. Okay, 90 into 5 into 10 to the power minus 6 means 10 power 3, and 10 power, this goes upper side, 10 power minus 2 becomes plus 2. Okay, it will become 9 5 45, 45 into 10 to the power of 5. Okay, it is the E2. Okay, if you want to convert in the 10 power 5, you can take it is equal to 90 into 10 to the power 5 Newton per coulomb. Okay, or it is the E2 Newton per coulomb. Add this, because both electric fields are in the same direction and parallel to each other. E net is equal to E1 plus E2. 90 plus 45 into 10 to the power 5, it will become 135 into 10 to the power 5 Newton per coulomb. It is the E net. Okay, at this point if you place the charge, okay, at this place if you put the charge 2 nanocoulomb, it will experience the force in this direction only, F. Okay, how much it will be? Which is the 10 nanocoulomb, it is the 5 microcoulomb. Microcoulomb. So, sorry. It is the 10 microcoulomb, it is the 5 microcoulomb. 5 microcoulomb. 5 microcoulomb minus 5 microcoulomb, it is the 10 microcoulomb plus 10 meter. 0.1 meter, 0.1 meter is the distance. If you want to find the force F net, it is equal to Q into E net, because we know that F is equal to Q into E. Q, how much it is? Q 2 into 10 to the power minus 9. E net, we have found that 135 taken to the power 135 into 10 to the power plus 5. Okay, F net, it is equal to 135 into 2. Okay, multiply by 2, 5 to the 10. Okay, 2 3 to 6 on 7, and 2 on the 2. 270 being 10 to the power 5 minus 1, 4. 9 minus 5 is 4. So that's 10 power minus 4. Or 27 into 10 to the power minus 3. 10 to the power minus 3, or 2.7 into 10 to the power minus 2. Or you can write this one on also. Okay, no problem. 7 into 10 to the power of minus 3 Newton, or 27 milli-Newton. Hold that you understand. Next question. In this question, it is asked an electric dipole consists of 2-point charges plus or minus 2 microcoulomb, which are 4 mm apart. Okay, the distance between these two dipoles dipole, the 2 microcoulomb plus 2 minus microcoulomb. 4 mm is the distance. 4 mm, 4 mm, or 4 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter distance it is. Okay, for my part, determine the magnitude of electric field. Number 1, a point on the axial line. Axial line is the axial line. Also, we have said that the axial line, sorry, 40 centimeter away from its center. Okay, from its center it is. From center, 40 centimeter is. Okay, 40 centimeter is the x. Okay, 40 centimeter. We have to find the electric field, net electric field. Okay, and also B, second one, at a point on which a point which is 50 centimeter away from O on the equatorial line. Okay, this is the first case we are solving. 40 centimeter away. Electric field on the axial line derivation we have done. Please watch that video, and last equation you have to see that the electric field E, it is equal to, कितना होता है ये electric field E, it is equal to, final equation after the neglecting the lesser or smaller quantities, all of these things, it will be 2pk divided by x cube, because it was electric field E is equal to 2pkx divided by x square plus d square, x square minus d square whole square. Okay, it was sum like this. It will become, if we neglect the d, because d is the distance between the two, which is very, very small, and it will become 2pkx divided by x to the power 4, and it will cancel, and it will become 2pk divided by x cube. Okay, this is how it will become. Okay, now we do not need this section, so that we are resizing it. Okay, resize. It will this much. Okay. Now this much. Put the values. Okay. Here P is the dipole moment. So that we have to calculate the dipole moment also. Okay. P is equal to 2qd or q into d. Q is the either charge 2 into 10 to the power minus 6. D is the distance between these two charges, 4 into 10 to the power minus 3. And it will become how much? 4 3 is 12. 4 to the 8. Sorry. 4 to the 8. 8 into 10 to the power 6, 7, 8, 9, minus 9. Dipole moment. Okay. Coulomb meters. The type. Okay. Put this value. 2 into 8 into 10 to the power minus 9. 9 into 10 to the power 9 divided by x cube. Okay, x cube, it is x cube. X is the distance, 40 centimeter, 40 into 10 to the power minus 2 whole cube. You have to find the cube, not square. Okay. Now, plus 9 minus 9 powers get cancelled. 2 into 8 into 9 divided by 4 fours are 16, 16 fours are 16 fours are 16 fours are 64. Okay, 4 into 4 into 4, 64, right? Okay, into, because it is 0 here, we have to take that also. Okay, 3 zeros, 4 into 4 into 4, and 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, 40 into 40 into 40. You can also using the calculator, you can confirm. 40 into 40 into 40, 6400. Okay, now into 10 power, multiply these powers. 10 power 3 to the 6 minus 6. Okay, now this 3 zeros and this power will cancel. 64 it will be 8 ones are 8 ones are 8, 8 8 is a 64, and 2 ones are 2 fours are 8. It will become 9 divided by 4. Okay, 9 divided by 4, 9 divided by 4, how much it will become? 9 divided by 4, 9 divided by 4, how much it will become? Okay, 9 divided by 4 means 9 divided by 4, 9 divided by 2 means 4.5, and 9 divided by 4 means 9 divided by 4 means 2.25. Okay, 4 divided by 2 again. Now 4.5 divided by 2, it will become 9. 9 divided by 2 means 4.5, and 4.5 divided by 2 is 2.25. Simple. Okay, powers calculate about 10 power 3. It goes upper side and it will become into 10 to the power plus 3, isn't it? Plus 3. It was minus 3. It goes upper side and it will become 10 power plus 3. Okay. Now, now it is equal to 2.25 into 10 to the power 3 Newton per coulomb. Okay. The next part. It is asked, what is asked, that 50 centimeter away from the point on the equatorial line of the dipole. Okay, see here. The dipole 2 microcoulomb, and it is the 2 microcoulomb, and this is the equatorial line, and it is the 50 centimeter away from the point O. At this point you have to find the electric field. Okay. You have to find the electric field minus, and this side it will become electric field E, and this side it will become electric field E. E1, E2, net electric field in this side, electric field E net. Okay. The electric field on the equatorial line equation is there. Then you have to find using that formula only. Okay, case 2 we are finding, or second one we are finding. Okay, electric field E, it is equal to PK divided by X2. This is the formula, electric field on the equatorial line. How it is? Using on the other equation and neglecting the smaller terms, we have found that. Okay, now dipole moment we have calculated how much it has. It has become 8 into 10 to the power minus 9. Okay, how much? 8 into 10 to the power minus 9. What it is? It is the dipole moment. Okay. Now 8 into 10 to the power minus 9 kilometer. 8 into 10 to the power minus 9 into 9 into 10 to the power minus 9 divided by x cube. X it is 50 into 10 to the power minus 2. Just 50 centimeter is there. Calculate this. It is equal to plus 9 minus 9. Here cancel. It is plus 9 because k value 9 10 to the power plus 9. Okay. 8 into 9 divided by 50. 5 cube. 5 5s are 25. Okay, 5 5s are 25 and 25 5s are 125. Okay, 125 into 10 to the power, and these zeros become, should take that zeros. Okay, 1 2 3. Okay, because we are cubing this cube, square, not a square, it is cube. Okay, 1 2 5 triple 0 into 10 to the power minus 6. Multiplying these powers. Okay, now it will become 8 into 9 divided by 8 into 9. 9 8s are how much it is? How much it will become? 72. Now our time water 125, and these two get cancel, and it will become how much into 10 to the power minus 3? 72 divided by 125, and it will become how much? 0. How much it will be? 0.57 0.576 into 10 to the power plus 3. Okay, 0.53 into 10 to the power plus 3 Newton per coulomb. Okay, you can shift the decimal point and take the other values. Okay, take the screenshot if you want. Thank you for watching. Yes. Hello. Next question. Two identical metal spheres with a charge of 6 nanocoulomb and minus 2 nanocoulomb are separated by a distance of 0.1 meter in air. Find the magnitude of electrostatic force between them. Also, find the force between the same two spheres when they are brought to contact and place at the initial position. Okay, दो स्पेयर्स हैं यहाँ पर, और इसके अंदर क्या बोला गया है कि दोनों के चार्ज दिए गए हैं. यहाँ पर एक स्पेयर है और यहाँ पर स्पेयर, इसके ऊपर 6 नैनो कूलम है और ये -2 नैनो कूलम चार्ज. ठीक है, और दोनों के बीच में यहाँ पर डिस्टेंस है 0.1 मीटर. 0.1 मीटर. ठीक है, फोर्स पूछा गया है, फोर्स इन एयर मीडियम, फोर्स इन एयर. That is equal to K Q Q2 divided by R square. Okay. K की value 9 into 10 to the power 9. The value of K is 9 into the power 9 into Q1 is 6 into 10 to the power minus 9 into minus 2 nanocoulomb. Okay, the force is attractive force, so that we are not taking the minus sign. 2 into 10 to the power minus 9 whole divided by R square. R, how much it is? 0.1 or 10 centimeter we can take. Okay, 0.1 square. Okay. Or otherwise you should take 10 centimeter square. Okay, 10 centimeter per centimeter, you have to take 10 power minus 2 whole square. Okay, now Further calculate 10 power minus 9, 10 power minus 9 get cancelled. 9 into 6 into 2 into 10 to the power minus 9 whole divided by 100 into 10 to the power minus 4. 10 power minus 4, 10 power minus 9 get cancelled, and it remains in 9, it remains minus 5. Okay, it remains 10 power minus 5. Okay, 10 power minus 5. Ten power minus 5 remains. Okay. We do not have to write here. Okay, and 109 into 6 into 2, or you can that cancel some like this 100 10 power 2 or 10 power 2. Okay, no problem. 9 into 6 into 2 into 10 to the power minus 5, and this goes upper side, and 10 power minus 2. Okay, now 9 6 2 6 6 12, चलिए 12 और 12 नहीं 108 हो जाएगा. 12 9 सा not 8 into 10 to the power minus 5 minus 2 5 6 7 minus 7 it is. Okay, not 8 into 10 to the power minus 8. It is F in air. This must be done on. Okay, that's all. Now question, further part of the question, next part question का सॉल्व करते हैं. तो पूछे हुए हैं तो अगर इसको टच किया जाए, केस 2, केस 1 हम सॉल्व कर रहे थे. केस 1 ये केस 2, यहाँ पर दोनों बॉल्स को टच किया गया है. If we touch the both charges will accumulate. Okay, 6 minus 2 it is equal to 4 nanocoulomb. And separate it. If you separate, the charge will divide equally in the both, because both spheres are the same. दोनों स्पेयर सेम है तो चार्ज दोनों के ऊपर सेम ही डिवाइड हो जाएगा. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पर 2 नैनोकूलम इसके ऊपर होगा और 2 नैनोकूलम इसके ऊपर होगा, और ये रिपल्सिव फोर्स होगा. ये जो फोर्स होगा ये अट्रैक्टिव फोर्स होगा, अट्रैक्टिव फोर्स रहेगा, क्योंकि यहाँ पर दोनों के ऊपर अलग अलग चार्जेस हैं. यहाँ पर दोनों के ऊपर रिपल्सिव फोर्स होगा और दोनों के बीच में वही सेम वाला डिस्टेंस है. तो फोर्स मालूम करते हैं. फोर्स इन एयर ही है. यहाँ पर कोई कहीं पर भी नहीं बोला गया कि यहाँ पर कोई मीडियम इंसर्ट किया गया. तो एफ एयर इट इज इक्वल टू के Q1 Q2 डिवाइडेड बाई R स्क्वायर, वही फॉर्मूला रहेगा. 9 into 10 to the power 9 सेम, and Q1 is 2 nanocoulomb, 2 into 10 to the power minus 9 and 2 into 10 to the power minus 9, it will be minus 9, sorry, minus 9 it is. Okay, 10 power minus 9, 10 power minus 9 divided by 10 centimeter into 10 to the power minus 2 whole square. Okay, now minus 9 plus 9 get cancelled, and 9 into 2 into 2 into 10 to the power minus 9 in whole divided by 100 into 10 to the power minus 4. Okay, this 2 goes and 2 चले जाएंगे यहाँ से, और -2 बच जाएगा. -2 and -2 how much it will be? -2 हाँ, 9 से अगर 7 चले जाएंगे तो पता हो जाएंगे 7 8 9, तो 10 पावर 9 दूनी 18 नहीं, 2 दूनी 4 4 में 18 दूनी 36 36 9 2 सा 18 18 2 सा 36. Okay, 36 into 10 to the power minus 7 Newton. This much force will be after the contact and kept at the same distance. Okay, if you want to take the screenshot, you take. That's all. Hello, next question. In this question, it is asked a uniform spherical shell of radius 0.2 meter has charge of 18 microcoulomb. Find the surface charge density of the spherical shell. Also find the electric field due to shell at a distance of 0.4 meter from the center of the shell. ठीक है, एक स्पेरिकल शेल है, यहाँ पर स्पेयर तो स्पेयर ही मानेंगे अब यहाँ पर, ऐसा कुछ तो कर नहीं सकते कि स्पेयर वगैरह यहाँ पर बता दिए गए। ठीक है, फिलहाल के लिए स्पेरिकल शेल है, समझिए। इमेज इंप्रूव कर सकते हैं, लेकिन ऐसे कोई इमेज अभी फिलहाल हमने नहीं बनाई है। और ये स्पेयर है, समझ लीजिए, एक स्पेरिकल शेल है। इससे यहाँ पर डॉटेड लाइन के साथ कुछ गॉसियन स्पेयर भी बन जाता है। इसके ऊपर हमने यहाँ पर चार्ज दिया हुआ है, हम यहाँ पर इसको नहीं उतारेंगे, बाद में उतारेंगे जहाँ पर क्वेश्चन के अंदर जरूरत पड़े। ठीक है, इसके ऊपर चार्ज दिया गया है, कितना चार्ज कितना दिया गया है, 18 माइक्रोकूलम चार्ज इसके ऊपर दिया गया। और इसका रेडियस ऑफ द शेल कितना है, आर रेडियस ऑफ द शेल 0.2 मीटर, ओके 20 सेंटीमीटर। 0.2 सरफेस चार्ज डेंसिटी मालूम करना है। सरफेस चार्ज डेंसिटी क्या होती है, सरफेस चार्ज डेंसिटी सिग्मा इट इज इक्वल टू क्यू डिवाइडेड बाय ए। ठीक है, क्योंकि ये स्फीयर है, क्या है, स्फीयर, स्फीयर एरिया ऑफ द स्फीयर कितना होता है, 4 पाई आर स्क्वायर, सिंपल। ओके, चार्ज कितना है, 18 इंटू 10 टू द पावर -6 डिवाइडेड बाय 4 पाई आर स्क्वायर, ओके 4 पाई आर स्क्वायर एरिया ऑफ दिस, ओके 18 इंटू 10 टू द पावर -6 4 पाई 2 इंटू 2 पाई, ओके 2 इंटू 2 पाई होता है। और आर स्क्वायर, आर तो कितना है 0.20 सेंटीमीटर है, 20 इंटू 10 टू द पावर -2 होल स्क्वायर। ठीक है, आई एम ट्राइंग टू कैलकुलेट विथ कैलकुलेटर, ओके नाउ तो जो इंग्रेडिएंट्स बोर्ड थे 16 तो 9 18 2 9 18, ओके अच्छा, अब तो 9 इंटू 10 टू द पावर -6 ये बच गए। और इसके बाद 1 डिवाइडेड बाई 2 पाई, 2 पाई का वैल्यू होता है 6.28, ओके 6.28, 20 स्क्वायर, ओके 400 400, ओके 20 स्क्वायर 400 into 10 to the power -4, okay now this 4 this power 2 and this goes एकदम वो कट हो जाएंगे, और क्या बच जाएगा, यहाँ पर ये वैल्यूज बच जाएंगे। तो 1 डिवाइडेड 6.8 की वैल्यू होती है 0.15, सॉरी 9 इंटू 10 टू द पावर -6 इंटू 1 डिवाइड बाई 6.28 की वैल्यू होती है 0.159, ओके 0.159 इंटू, तो कोई पावर नहीं बच गया है तो नहीं पर डिवाइडेड बाई 4, 9 डिवाइडेड बाई 4, 9 बाई 2 इज 4.5, 4.5 divided by 2 is 2.25, okay now it will become how much, 2.25 into 0.159 into 10 to the power -6, multiply this and you will get how much, you will get how much, 2.25 into 0.159, Okay, you will get 0.357 0.35775 something, okay, into 10 to the power minus 6. Okay, you will get 0.358 into 10 to the power minus 6. Sigma it is equal to this much. We have approximated it. Okay, it is and unit of the surface charge density is coulomb per meter square. That's all. Okay, this much only. Now the next question in this second part is it is asked, what is the electric field due to the spherical shell? Electric field due to the spherical shell at the 4 centimeter from this and the okay from the center of the nucleus of center of the sphere. Okay, so, case 2. Electric field at the 0.4 meter. Okay, 0.4 meter, or it is equal to 0.4 meter. It is equal to 40 centimeter. Okay, now electric field due to the spherical shell equation is given by E, it is equal to KQ divided by R square. Okay, isn't it? It is the formula. K value 9 into 10 to the power 9, and Q the charge it is 18 microcoulomb, 18 into 10 to the power minus 6 whole divided by R square. R it is 40 centimeter. Okay, 40 centimeter, 40 into 10 to the power minus 2 whole square. Okay, now 40 centimeter. Okay. 9 into 18 into 10 to the power, this 10 power minus 9, 10 power minus 6, and remain 10 power 3 divided by 40, 4 for the 16, 00 into 10 to the power minus 4. This goes and it will become 16. Two eights and 2 eights and 2 nines. 2 nines. This much. And it will become 9 nines are 81 divided by 8 into 10 to the power is 4 goes upper side. Now this 4 cancel and it remains minus 2. Okay, minus 2 minus 3. Now minus 2 goes upper side, it becomes plus 2 and it will become plus 5. Okay, and it will become 8 10 18 10.1. Okay, 10.1 into 10 to the power 5. Now आता है इससे तो 8 10 सा होता है तो यहाँ पर 10.1 कुछ आएगा. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पर इसको अगर शिफ्ट कर दिया जाए तो 1 into 10 to the power 1.01 होगा, फिर भी अप्रोक्सीमेटली 1 into 10 to the power 6. इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड 1 into 10 to the power 6 न्यूटन पर कूलम. ये इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड. ठीक है, ठीक है, that's all. Hope that you understand. If you want to take the screenshot, you may take. Okay, thank you for watching. Next question. In this question it is asked, a negatively charged oil drop prevented from falling under gravity by applying a vertical electric field of 100 volt per meter. Okay, electric field is there. How much? 100 Newton per coulomb. Okay, no problem. Volt per meter is also the unit. It's unit. Okay, 100 Newton per coulomb, or volt per meter. Okay. And mass of the drop is given. Mass it is equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 6 kg. Calculate the magnitude of the charge. You have to find the charge on the while drop, and second one, number of electrons carried by the drop. Number of electron it is equal to how much? Okay, now let's solve it. Okay, because the oil drop is remain in air, so that on that here the force is attracting towards the earth, that is the mg fg, and this must be the electric field force. Okay, that should be how it is force due to the electrostatic force. In Fe it is equal to Q into E, isn't it? ठीक है, तो यही तो फोर्स होता है। ये फोर्स ऊपर लग रहा है, इसीलिए तो यहाँ पर आ रहा है। फोर्स ऊपर लग रहा है, ये नीचे लग रहा है, फोर्स बराबर है mg के, तो इसलिए ये ऊपर टहरा हुआ है। ओके, नाउ तो ये फोर्स ड्यू टू द इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक फोर्स की वजह से हम मालूम करेंगे यहाँ पर। तो देयरफॉर Q into E it is equal to M into G। तो Q मालूम करना है, Q it is equal to M into G divided by E। ओके, मास कितना है? मास इज 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 6 kg। एक्सेलरेशन ड्यू टू ग्रेविटी 10। ठीक है, क्वेश्चन में बोला गया है 10 मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर एक्सेलरेशन ड्यू टू ग्रेविटी यहाँ पर है। इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड कितना है? 100। ओके, यहाँ से 10, ये 10 पर गया, ऊपर एक चला गया, तो ये कितना हो जाएगा? चार्ज हो जाएगा हमारे पास 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 7 कूलम, 10 to the power minus 7 कूलम। ठीक है, इतना ही चार्ज होगा, चार्ज आएगा दर्शक। ठीक है, नेक्स्ट और देखेंगे क्या पूछा गया है। मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ द चार्ज एंड नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स। फॉर फाइंडिंग द नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन यू हैव टू टेक द इक्वेशन Q is equal to plus or minus n into E। Okay, n it is equal to Q divided by E। Okay, charge how much it is? Charge 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 7 divided by E, 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19. This will get cancelled, and number of electron will be 1 into 10 to the power 19 minus 7, 19 minus 7, 7, 8, 9। ओके, और पावर 12 हो जाएगी, 10 to the power 12, 7, 8, 9 दो बच गए। ठीक है, तो 10 तो कैसे भी थे, 10 9 में से चलेगा 7, 9 में से 7 चलेगा तो 7, 8, 9। ओके, 10 to the power 12, 10 to the power 12 electrons। okay, इतना ही होता है। Hope that you understand। If you want to take the screenshot, no matter, that's all। Hello, next question। Electric charges of 10 microcoulomb and 5 microcoulomb are placed at two corners of A, B and of equilateral triangle of side 5 cm। Calculate the magnitude of resultant electric field at vertex C। ठीक है, तो यहाँ पर क्वेश्चन में पूछा गया है कि एक ट्रायंगल है, एक ट्रायंगल है, यहाँ पर एक ट्रायंगल है कुछ इस तरह से, और इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल है, तो सभी साइड्स सेम रहेंगे। साइड भी दिया गया है 5 सेंटीमीटर है, 5 सेंटीमीटर इसका साइड है। चार्जेस रखे गए हैं, ये ए वाला पॉइंट, ये बी वाला पॉइंट है, समझ ली। यहाँ पर +10 माइक्रोकूलम, यहाँ पर -5 माइक्रोकूलम, यहाँ पर सी पॉइंट के ऊपर, ये सी वाला पॉइंट है। और इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल है तो सभी के सभी साइड्स कैसे रहेंगे? सेम 60 रहेंगे। तो यहाँ पर इस कॉर्नर पर
इसी पॉइंट के ऊपर इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड मालूम करने के लिए पूछा। इस चार्ज की वजह से इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड का जो डायरेक्शन होगा कुछ इस साइड में रहेगा, ठीक है, इस साइड में रहेगा। इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड का डायरेक्शन इस साइड में रहेगा E1, और इस चार्ज की वजह से इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड का डायरेक्शन इस साइड में ही रहेगा, ठीक है, इसी साइड में रहेगा इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड E2, ठीक है। इन दोनों की वजह से जो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड आएगा वो नेट इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इस डायरेक्शन में आएगा, इन दोनों के बीच में से, ओके। तो ई नेट इसी साइड में आएगा, तो हमें यही रिजल्टेंट इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड मालूम करनी है, ठीक है। तो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड और इन दोनों के बीच में यहाँ पर, क्योंकि ये 60 डिग्री रहेगा, ये 60 डिग्री, तो टोटल एंगल हो जाएगा 120 डिग्री, ठीक है। थीटा इज इक्वल टू 130 डिग्री रहेगा। नाउ इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड E1 मालूम करते हैं। इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड E1 मालूम करेंगे यहाँ पर। इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड E1 इज इक्वल टू Q2 डिवाइडेड बाय R स्क्वायर। R डिस्टेंस सभी के लिए सेम है, 9 इंटू 10 टू द पावर 9 इंटू पहला है 10 माइक्रोकूलम, 10 इंटू 10 टू द पावर -6 डिवाइडेड बाय 5 सेंटीमीटर, 5 इंटू 10 पावर -2 होल स्क्वायर, ओके। 90 इंटू 10 टू द पावर, यहाँ पर 10 माइनस 9 तो 3 रह जाएगा, 9 - 6 is 3, ठीक है। तो नीचे 25 इंटू 10 टू द पावर 10 टू द पावर 25 इंटू 10 टू द पावर -4 1 divided by 25, how much it will be? 1 divided by 25 will be, I think 0.04, okay. 1 divided by 25, 0.04, okay, 0.04 into 90 into 10 to the power, this goes upper side, this 10 power -4 goes upper side and becomes how much? It becomes 10 power plus 4, 10 power plus 4 plus 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, okay, 10 power plus 7, isn't it? Okay. Now reduce the this decimal point, shift the decimal point using the power, okay. Now, one decimal point we are taking from here, and this one decimal point is shifted, और क्या होगा 0.4 बच गया, तो यहाँ से पॉइंट, यहाँ से पावर कम करेंगे और इसको एक तो लेंगे 4 इंटू 9 इंटू 10 टू द पावर 6, ये बन गया 9 4 7 36 36 इंटू 10 टू द पावर इंटू 10 टू द पावर प्लस 6, ओके। Electric field E1 it is this much. Electric field E1 is this much, okay. Now calculate the E2. Electric field E2, it is equal to same KQ1 KQ divided by R square, and it is equal to 9 into 10 to the power 9 into 5, because 5 microcoulomb, -5 microcoulomb is there, but the minus sign we are taking for the direction. Here in the question we are not mentioning the minus sign, ठीक है। जो यहाँ पर हम सोल्यूशन के अंदर माइनस साइन नहीं ले रहे हैं क्योंकि हमने डायरेक्शन ऑलरेडी इंडिकेट कर दिया है। 5 इंटू 10 टू द पावर -6 डिवाइडेड बाय R स्क्वायर। R is same that 5 centimeter, 5 into 10 to the power -2 whole square, okay। Now solve further, आगे सॉल्व करेंगे इसे, ठीक है। तो यहाँ पर कितना हो जाएगा, अब -6 प्लस 9 को कैंसिल करेंगे, 9 - 6 3 हो जाएगा, 9 इंटू 5 इंटू 10 टू द पावर +3 होल डिवाइडेड बाय 25 इंटू 10 टू द पावर -4 कितना हो जाएगा? okay, now 5 ones are 5 5s are okay, 1 divided by 5 is nothing but 0.2. okay, now 5 5 25, 25 से 5 है, ये ऊपर जाएंगे 10 पावर -4 ऊपर जाके 10 पावर 7 बन जाता है, ठीक है। 9 डिवाइडेड बाई 5, ओके, 9 डिवाइडेड बाई 5 इंटू 10 टू द पावर 4 5 6 7 प्लस 7 हो जाएगा, और 9 बाई 5 1 डिवाइडेड बाई 5 होता है 0.2, 0.2 इंटू 9, ओके, 9 इंटू 0.2 इंटू 10 टू द पावर 7 हो जाएगा। नेक्स्ट उसके बाद क्या करेंगे, इसको नाइन टू सा 18, ओके, 1.8 हो जाएगा, 1.8 9 टू 18 इंटू 10 टू द पावर 7, 8 निकाल लेंगे क्योंकि यहाँ पर भी 10 पावर 6 है, तो इसको भी 10 पावर 6 कर देंगे, तो 18 इंटू 10 टू द पावर 6 E2 आ जाएगा, न्यूटन पर कूलम। क्लियरली यहाँ से पता चलता है, दोनों इक्वेशन से, दोनों इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड से हम देखें तो पता चलता है। हाँ, तो यहाँ पर E2 इट इज इक्वल टू 2 E2 इट इज इक्वल टू, और E1 इट इज इक्वल टू 2 इंटू E2, सॉरी, E1 इट इज इक्वल टू 2 इंटू E2, यहाँ से हमें पता चलता है फ्रॉम अबव इक्वेशंस, E1 इट इज इक्वल टू 2 इंटू E2, E2 को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करें, ठीक है। तो therefore net electric field E net it is equal to under root of E1 square plus E2 square plus 2 E1 E2 cos theta, ये नेट इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड का फॉर्मूला वेक्टर फॉर्म कुछ इस तरह से रिजल्ट इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड मालूम करता है, ठीक है। इट इज इक्वल टू अंडर रूट ऑफ, because we know this, okay, we have to mention this, E1 it is equal to 2E2 whole square plus E2 square plus 2 into E2, because E1 is equal to 2 E2, okay, now E2 cos 120 degree, because cos 120 degree equal to, becomes cos 120 इक्वल टू -1/2, ठीक है, -1/2 होता है, तो आइए लिखेंगे, कैलकुलेट करेंगे यहाँ पर, ठीक है, कैलकुलेट करते हैं, 2 4 E2 स्क्वायर प्लस E2 स्क्वायर प्लस 2 2 जा 4 E2 स्क्वायर -1/2, ये 2 2 get 2 1 जा 2 2 जा, now 4 E2 स्क्वायर प्लस 1 5 E2 स्क्वायर माइनस, यहाँ पर माइनस है तो 2 E2 स्क्वायर यहाँ पर हो जाएगा, ठीक है, इट इज इक्वल टू, ये कितना होगा, 5 - 2 इज 3 E2 स्क्वायर, ये कितना हो जाएगा, E2 बाहर ला लेंगे और √3 अंदर रह जाएगा। √3 का वैल्यू कितना होता है, √3 का वैल्यू 1.73 इस तरह से होता है। E2 का वैल्यू ऑलरेडी हमने ऊपर देख लिया है, E2 इज 18, हाउ मच इट इज, here it is 18 into 10 to the power 6, 18 into 10 to the power 6 into 1.72, multiply this. Okay, it will approximately become 31 point 31.17 into 10 to the power 6 in kg1 power 3.117 into 10 to the power 7 or 3.12 approximately, okay, into 10 to the power 7 Newton per coulomb. It is the electric field E net. Okay, E net becomes this much. Okay, hope that you understand. I think we cannot take the screenshot of this Zoom auto. Okay, auto screen, take the screenshot, you may take. That's all. Hello. Next question. A negatively charged spherical shell of radius 0.1 meter produce the electric field of 5 into 10 to the power 4 Newton per coulomb at a point distance of 0.2 meter from the center of the shell. Calculate the charge on the sphere. Also calculate the number of extra electron present on the sphere. ठीक है, नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉनिक फाइंड करने के लिए पूछा है, कोई खास चीज नहीं है. ठीक है, ऑलरेडी सॉल्व किया हुआ है ऐसा प्रॉब्लम. इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड ऑन द स्फेरिकल शेल के लिए ये वाला फॉर्मूला हमने अभी थोड़ी देर पहले यूज कर लिया है. ठीक है, इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड ऑन द स्फेरिकल शेल E it is equal to KQ divided by R square. Okay, R is the distance from the center of the sphere. Okay, इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड प्रोड्यूस कर रहा है नेगेटिवली चार्ज स्फेरिकल शेल, जैसे क्वेश्चन में दिया गया है. प्रोड्यूस द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड फाइंड एट द पॉइंट डिस्टेंस 2 मीटर, 2 मीटर के ऊपर. ठीक है, R is the distance, it is the distance from center to point. ठीक है, डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम सेंटर टू पॉइंट है. ठीक है, K की वैल्यू लीजिए 9 into the power 9 into Q कितना है, चार्ज. फाइन, चार्ज नहीं मालूम है, Q मालूम करना है. डिस्टेंस कितना है, डिस्टेंस यहाँ पर दिया गया है. ठीक है, तो डिस्टेंस दिया गया है कितना, 2 मीटर 20 सेंटीमीटर है. 20 into 10 to the power -2 होल स्क्वायर इक्वल टू इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड दिया गया है. इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड कितना है, इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड दिया गया है यहाँ पर. इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड कितना है, 5 into 10 to the power 4 न्यूटन पर कूलम. ओके, 5 into 10 to the power 4 न्यूटन पर कूलम दिया गया है. चार्ज मालूम करना है, चार्ज को यहीं पर रखेंगे, और सारी चीजों को रखे जाएंगे. Q it is equal to 5 into 10 to the power 4 5 into 10 to the power 4 into R स्क्वायर यहाँ पर ले जाएंगे, स्क्वायर करेंगे और उस साइड ले जाएंगे. ठीक है, या फिर फॉर्मूले से भी आप पहले करके रख सकते हैं. Q यहीं पर रखेंगे, इसको उधर ले जाएंगे, इसको नीचे ले जाएंगे. ठीक है, 20 का स्क्वायर करेंगे, 400 into 10 to the power -2 था, -4 हो जाएगा. ओके, डिवाइडेड बाय K की वैल्यू 9 into 10 to the power 9. ओके, +9 इट इज. ठीक है, इतनी ही वैल्यू इसकी होती है. ठीक है, अब इसके बाद फर्दर सॉल्व करता हूँ. न्यूटन पावर 10 पावर 4, ये 10 पावर -2 बन जाएगा, -2. ओके, 5 into 10 to the power 4 into 10 to the power 5 into 4 भी है. ठीक है, एक बार फिर से लिख देता हूँ यहाँ पर. सही से 5 into 4 into 10 to the power +4 into 10 to the power -2 और ये हो गया 9 9 डिवाइडेड बाय 9 इंटू 10 टू द पावर 9, ये बचा है 10 पावर 4, 10 पावर 4 एंड और ये 2 चला गया और ये बन जाएगा कितना बनेगा माइनस 4 माइनस 2 इज 2, 5 चौक 20, 20 डिवाइडेड बाय 9 इंटू 10 टू द पावर 9 ये था और यहाँ पर 10 पावर 2 बच जाएगा। ठीक है, ये 10 पावर 9, 10 पावर 9, 9 10 पावर 9 और ये दोनों बच गए तो 10 पावर 7 यहाँ पर नीचे बच जाएगा। 20 डिवाइडेड बाय 9, 20 डिवाइडेड बाय 9 कितना होगा, उसको अप्रोक्सीमेटली 10 ही समझ कर अगर कर लें तो ये कितना हो जाएगा, देखिए 2 हो जाएगा। 20 डिवाइडेड बाय 9 अगर करें तो ये कितना होता है 2.22 इंटू 10 टू द पावर -7, 2.22 इंटू 10 टू द पावर -7। ओके, कितना बच रहा है और इसको थोड़ा सा ले जाए तो कितना बचेगा, क्यू इट इज इक्वल टू डेसिमल पॉइंट शिफ्ट कीजिए 0.22 इंटू 10 टू द पावर -6 कूलम कितना चार्ज होगा। ठीक है, या फिर 0.22 माइक्रो कूलम, इट इज इक्वल टू Q is equal to 0.22 माइक्रो कूलम। ठीक है, नेक्स्ट आगे फर्दर सॉल्व करते हैं। Q is equal to N into E, नंबर ऑफ चार्जेस, नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स। Q is equal to प्लस और माइनस N into E इक्वेशन है, नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन फाइंड करना है तो इट इज इक्वल टू Q डिवाइडेड बाय E, इट इज इक्वल टू Q कितना है 0.22 इंटू 10 टू द पावर -6 डिवाइडेड बाय 1.6, ओके 1.6 इंटू 10 टू द पावर -19, -6 और 19 तो माइनस कितना बच जाएगा -13। ठीक है, -13 ऊपर जाकर +13 हो जाएगा 0.22 डिवाइडेड बाय 16, 0.22 divided by 1.6, 0.137 into 10 to the power +13 होगा। ठीक है, या फिर आप डेसिमल पॉइंट जो मतलब शिफ्ट करके अगर आप मल्टीप्लाई भी कर सकते हैं, या फिर 1 डिवाइडेड बाय 1.6 का वैल्यू हमेशा याद रख लीजिए आप। ठीक है, तो 1 डिवाइडेड बाय 1.6 होता है 0.625। ठीक है, 0.625 को 22 से मल्टीप्लाई कीजिए, मल्टीप्लिकेशन इजी होगा, आप उसको कर सकते हैं। ठीक है, 1 डिवाइडेड बाय 1.6 होता है 0.625, उसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे इतना ही मिल जाएगा 0.137 इंटू 10 टू द पावर 13, ये नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स। ठीक, this much electrons will be there on the, ठीक है, तो इतने इलेक्ट्रॉन्स हो जाए। होप दैट आपने अंडरस्टैंड कर लिया होगा। स्क्रीनशॉट पे लेना चाहता है तो ले सकता है। ठीक है, ये हमने सारे 5 मार्क्स के न्यूमेरिकल प्रॉब्लम फर्स्ट चैप्टर से सॉल्व कर दिए हैं। आपको अगर प्रॉब्लम सीखना है तो आप डायरेक्ट ये प्रॉब्लम करेंगे तो आपको कुछ ज्यादा इफेक्टिवली आएगा या नहीं आएगा नहीं बोल सकता मैं। ठीक है, तो अगर आपको सीखना है प्रॉब्लम तो प्लीज कमेंट कीजिए, मैं एक वीडियो डालूंगा जिसके अंदर स्टेप बाय स्टेप जितने भी ये प्रॉब्लम बताए हैं, बोर्ड वाले ने जितने भी इतने प्रॉब्लम बताए हैं तो मैं उनको स्टेप बाय स्टेप सिखाऊंगा, आप किस तरह से इसको सीख सकते हैं, उसकी सारी चीजें आपको दिखाऊंगा। ठीक है, तो आप प्लीज कमेंट कीजिए और लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए अपने दोस्तों के अंदर ताकि मुझे समझ आए कि कि आपको और क्या रिक्वायरमेंट होगी। ठीक है, सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास और नेक्स्ट वीडियो के अंदर मिलता है।